Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a GM certified 2017 Buick Envision Essence all-wheel drive, stock number Z8428XX. 11,000 miles on this one owner, comes to us with a clean auto check history report, Galaxy Silver Metallic in color. To be GM certified, a vehicle goes through a very strict 172-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 4-year 50,000-mile bumper-to-bumper and a 6-year 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. You also receive an additional 12-month 12,000-mile bumper-to-bumper and 2 years or 24,000 miles of scheduled maintenance. It's a very safe vehicle, 5-star overall government crash rating. Seats 5 with a leather interior. Rear outboard seats are also heated. Rear climate controls. Split seat back folds flat for additional cargo space. Backup camera, along with rear parking sensors for additional safety, and power liftgate for convenience. Lots of cargo space in the rear, with additional underfloor storage. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This Essence has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, memory settings for 2 drivers, power liftgate control, power seats, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position, oversized panoramic moonroof, button start, large, easy to read gauges with driver information system, controlled by buttons on the steering wheel. Leather wrapped steering wheel is heated, great for those cold winter days. Cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, large touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. Separate rear heat and air controls. And that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. Dual zone front climate along with heated front seats. 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Lots of storage space in the armrest. USB and auxiliary input. Allows you to connect those mobile media devices. Spacious glove box with all the owner's materials. Overhead, HomeLink transmitter for garage door opener. Power moonroof and power sunshade control. Under the hood, this Envision has a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder, 197 horsepower, and of course just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. Excellent fuel economy, especially for an all-wheel drive crossover. EPA average of 21 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 28 on the highway, and approximately 50% of the tire tread left. Don't forget about that GM certification, protecting your investment. For more information, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.